Yo, what is going on, everyone? It is Tristan, and today in this video, we're actually restarting right here. I just, sometimes I don't like what I do, so we just redo it, right? But what we're going to be discussing right here in this video is the Kobe 6 Dodgers, a slightly earlier review for this pair right here, because keep in mind, there actually is going to be another Kobe sneaker, the Kobe 8 Weta, which is going to be dropping on sneakers before these, because this is set for a sneakers release on May 30th. But they've already been dropping early, I guess you could call it that, at some in-store locations, undefeated ones in particular, in California, New York, and Japan. So this is, again, slightly earlier review because they've already been dropping at some spots, but the sneakers drop is on the way. So we'll just get into showing you all this sneaker, everything we got with it, and, well, what you all can expect with this sneaker. We'll also dive into the resale, maybe a little bit. I mean, this is mainly an early review, but you know what? We'll discuss it too. Let's get into it. I mean, if you just want to know right off the bat, best piece of advice, just wait a bit on these because, I mean, there's more pairs on the way, more releases. The prices will most likely come down. But yeah, if you guys want more reviews like this one right here, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, we're just trying to 300 likes on this video. Lets them know that it's the type of content y'all want more of. Early pair stuff, just, videos like this one. And you guys can also check me out my IGs down below. If anybody needs a pair of these, feel free to hit me up. I got 8 through 11 available. Just, shoot me a little message. I will try and get back to you tonight. And of course, if you just want to see some of the other stuff we got for sale on my story, hoodies, shorts, pants, you name it, you guys have been ordering a lot, so I appreciate you guys as always. And if you all also want to join the raffle for the unreleased Udos, which is on my story, again, we're running a pair size 13. Winner's going to be able to, again, take that size or choose their own. So if y'all want a chance to win a pair of Udos for like 20 bucks, join that raffle. Check my raffle page down below. I'll link it there. But that's it. Let's get started on reviewing these. Other than there's actually one more thing I want to discuss. If y'all want to check out the merch down below, then feel free to check that again. The mugs, tees, any of the recent stuff we designed. Hopefully I'm popping it up on the screen. Check that out. We'll be updating that this week, adding some custom stuff. So don't miss out. But yeah, all these designs, like I put this together, you know what I mean? So yeah, always trying to do that. Oh, and also Resell Vision under market sneakers we do every single day. Don't forget that. You guys can see some of those deals on the screen right now. Early info, all that we provide in there. That is what we do for you guys every single day. Like I tried to notify y'all on the CPFM drop this morning. Was super low stock, but hopefully some people hitting there. And we'll be dropping more of those deals tonight. So hope y'all will enjoy a little bit of a long outro or intro. But let's review this sneaker. So first things first, I want to start with reviewing the box right here. I feel like this is probably the easiest thing to get into right off the bat. So first things first, y'all can see kind of that snakeskin pattern that they're going with on the box right here. And of course, Kobe's signature, which is right there in the center. Of course, go to the back side of the box right here. You guys can see Nike's logo and then the Mamba one right there. Flip it around and here is the front side of the box. Again, Kobe's logo. And y'all can see everything else with this, y'all. There's the size tag. If you want to take a quick little look right there. So Kobe 6. And I thought this was interesting. They have the ring right here on the box, but normally I've noticed this is here if you have to like pull this portion out, right? But I mean, it's just a lid. You just take it off and then check out the shoes. So I thought this was interesting that that's there. Maybe it's another reason. But aside from that, what we got with this sneaker right here, y'all can see this is the Kobe 6 Dodgers. So a very, very clean pair right here. Y'all can also see they come with some extra laces, a little white set, as y'all can see. So there are the extra laces we got with them, and there's the sneaker. But I'll set that one down and we'll just show y'all the other one right here. So taking a look at this sneaker, y'all can see the number A right there, of course, for Kobe, and then you guys can see the overall colorway of the sneaker. This is why I like this. I would wear these. Like, I don't have many Kobe's in my collection, literally only the Venice Beaches, and I wear them around not often. Like, I don't really hoop like that, so just my need for Kobe's is not really there. But I would wear these just to have them. You know what I mean? Just to have them and wear them around, I would 100% wear these. Like, this is a very, very nice sneaker. Even though I know it's primarily for the court, right? Like, that's the main reason. I mean, shoot, most Jordans are for the court, but we just wear them around casually, right? That's what a lot of us do. But these, I would hoop in them. I'd rock them just as a casual shoe. It's clean. Like, this is a very clean colorway in hand. One of the main things I want to mention. So, I like this sneaker. I love how much it stands out. Like, this blue, I don't know what it is, but it's just kind of like a deep royal blue, and it really stands out. So for me, I like it. I would wear these 100%. But y'all can also see right there the red signature, which is, of course, on that kind of dark blue carbon fiber, which, again, that looks pretty sick. I believe it's carbon fiber, at least. I might be wrong, because I think, actually, yeah, the carbon fiber's right there. I'm tripping. That's not carbon fiber. But you can see kind of that translucent or clear see-through plastic. I feel like that's a little bit more accurate right there to say. That's the carbon fiber. Y'all can see that right there at the center. And then, of course, we can just dive into the soles right here. So the rest of the sneaker right there. And again, just your standard Kobe 6 design right there, but a clean colorway to say the least. And also another nice little neat detail, of course, you can see kind of that baseball design right there. Of course, is for, well, a baseball, like the threads, you know what I mean, where you'd hold the balls, like that's actually based off. And I thought that was really cool, the fact they added that small little detail on the tongue tag right there. You can see the logo right there, of course, the Mamba one, and then there's nothing on the inside of the tongue tag, I believe. Yeah, I'm taking a look, there's nothing there, but there is the insole, as y'all can see, just that red logo, same one that we have right there on the top of the tongue tag. So just right in there, except it's red, just to kind of, I guess, match that or other portions of the sneaker, like the number right here. So again, it's not absolutely, like, for example, like the Mambacito Kobe's that just have so many features and you're like, wow, this is a very, very unique sneaker. It's just one of those ones you're like, man, these are nice, they're simple, they did them right, they didn't add too much, and they look good. So that's what I think about these. I know these are going crazy in California. I know you probably could get some insane bread for these right now. If you have a pair in hand right now and you live in California, you could probably sell them for like 500, 600 bucks. People probably aren't even checking market. They're probably just like, oh my gosh, Dodgers Kobe's, I'll give you 700 bucks. I bet you it's nice sometimes, you know, when you have sneakers that you know are going to be doing good, you know? So I know my California residents seeing these, they probably are going crazy because, well, the Dodgers. So aside from that, again, very clean sneaker. Like, I'm not anywhere near LA, and I absolutely love this colorway. I would wear these a lot. I'm going to be honest. Like, I might wait a bit and let them get slightly cheaper and then go look for a personal, because these are clean, man. Like, this is a nice shoe for the summer. And I would just wear these around, man. It's a nice sunny day outside, you know. I'm just going for like a, I don't know, like a casual walk with the family or something like that. Yeah, just rock these. Something like this, you know. Stands out. It's nice. They look pretty comfy. Like, they got a decent padding on the inside of the heel, you know. I've heard Kobe sneakers, once they're broken in, they're, you know, decently comfortable. I mean, shoot. You see Kobe's, I mean, you just watch a little bit of NBA, you know what I mean? Kobe's are everywhere. So, yeah, people like them. I don't think that's any shocker. And, yeah, I mean, this would be one that I would rock a lot. So, for me, these are a cop 100%. Like, I will be going for these on Sneaker Drop Day, but no, I did not pay retail on these. Also want people to understand that. Like, I had to pay, you know, early pair prices for this one. I actually did get a half decent deal, though. Like, I will admit, I'm happy with the price I got. Like, it'll be good for a few weeks. So, that's what I can say about this sneaker right here. An extremely clean colorway. So, what I'm going to do right now, instead of me talking a little bit more, because we've already mentioned, again, most of the details so you can see on the sneaker, why don't we just do some B-roll shots without me talking over it. So we'll do some close-up shots of these, and also we're going to dive into the resale prices, because I know you guys are curious about that. So why not? You know, I'll do it. So, I mean, it's a great long-term bet, but over the next few weeks, you can wait some. We'll dive into that. B-roll shots first, though. So, yeah, I love these. Like, hey, if y'all want an on-feet review, comment on feet. If just like, what shoe was it? There was a shoe recently that we did that with. But yeah, 20 of y'all comment on feet, I'm going to do it. Or yeah, y'all wanted the brick by brick early review. Enough of y'all commented and we did them early. So yeah, if y'all want an on-feet review, let me know, because I'm tempted by these. All right, let's get into it.
Sticks made a fucking hit.
Alright, so as you guys can see, the screen recording is up, and taking a look at the resale prices. Hey, the price I actually paid early is still under ask right now, so I'm happy about that. So, hey, we actually did end up getting a half decent deal. Shout out to my guy. But aside from that, yeah, if anybody needs them, feel free to hit me up too as well. But what we need to say about these right here, over the next few weeks, you can see the prices are not consistent. From size 13 going for cheaper than size 12. Usually size 13 goes for more than Kobe's, just what I notice. Some. But you can see size 11 going for the same as 10.5. That never happens with almost any sneakers, so just take that into account. And also the smaller size is going for more. That's when you know that it's a little bit early on a sneaker, right? So for me, my personal prediction on these, and I think they're going to be getting much cheaper over the next few weeks. I mean, we have to drop all the way towards the end of May for sneakers, and then all these in-store locations are going to be dropping them over the next few weeks. Some will be backdooring them, some will be dropping them, honestly, but this drop is very spread out, is what I'm trying to say. From dropping from the end of March to the end of May. Like, that's a huge release period. So understanding that, I see these coming down in price because it's like these are dropping over such a long period of time. There's almost no way that they don't drop in price. So maybe it'll be one of those shoes where you have to catch a dip or, catch it at the right time. And I'll let you guys know if I see that. But at least with this shoe right now, that's what I think. Just wait a bit. You'll get a better price because, I mean, yeah, it's just such a long release period. If the sneakers drop is really May 30th, according to Elden Monitors yesterday on Twitter, then yeah, dropping from the end of March to end of May that would be nuts. So I would just say wait some if that would be the case. So we'll end it right there. And yeah, let's just hop into the outro right now. We'll do that. Anyways, guys, that's what I can say right there about the Kobe 6 Dodgers. Hopefully I was not calling them the Kobe 8 Dodgers a bunch. Just understand why I may have been saying 8 a bunch, but it's the Kobe 6. It's the Kobe 6 Dodgers. It's coming soon. Already dropping again in store at some undefeated locations and online. I saw somehow I forgot to enter that. I don't know how, because I was checking my email yesterday and I was like, oh, I must have not gotten them, but usually they send me the like a L notification or an email, but I didn't even get that. So I was like, man, I missed that draw somehow. I must have just been really busy that day or something, but at least we got a pair right here. Very happy about that. And let me know how y'all are feeling about these and if this is a pair that you would cop for your collection. For me, hey, 20 of y'all comment on feet, we're doing the on feet review because these are nice. Like, this might be the next sneaker that we tow right here because it's just one of those ones that the colorway stands out, man. Like, I'm not a Dodgers fan. Like, I don't watch MLB whatsoever. So I know people are gonna be saying hype beast. Bro, I just like the colorway. All right, can I just like something? You know what I mean? But yeah, like, these are clean. Like, that's what I can admit. Like, one thing I will say though is, but hey, Dodgers, they got clean. They got that. The jerseys, the fits. Hey, whoever's designing their stuff, they got that down. So, I mean, just look at their recent collections. Like MLP, they're doing collabs with Takashi Murakami. You know what I mean? So whoever's on their team there, they're killing it. We can admit that. But that's what I can say about this sneaker. I like them. And yeah, so if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. A little bit awkward right there, but yeah, feel free to hit 300 likes. Or let's try and hit 300 likes, not feel free. But yeah, the button's there down below. Also, all my stuff in the pinned comments, my IGs. If you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me, join the unreleased USB raffle. If y'all want to check out the merch down below, the mug, any of the recent teas that we've dropped, again, feel free to check it out. I love this mug right here. I use this somewhat. We actually have a few more samples on the way, so I'll be showing y'all some of the other stuff in hand very shortly. And us at Resell Vision, again, we'll be running some of these on the market soon. And well, we're doing the SB4s and Brick by Brick Jordan 4s under market right now. So join up in there. Have a chance to win those under market price, or join the raffle. We're doing 4 pair of SB4s in there right now. So, yeah, that was a lot of info right there. But this is probably, I mean, it's my size. If you know what I mean. If I don't sell these this week, this will probably be the sneaker I end up towing. So we will see. But let me know what y'all think. Cop and drop, and I will see you on the next video tomorrow. So hopefully I don't miss out on you guys then. And well, we'll be posting. So see y'all. Don't miss it. Peace.